Hi everyone, it's Veronica and I'm here with the project share. I created a gratitude journal and I followed a tutorial by Carolina's Crafts. I will link her tutorial in the description box if you would like to go and check hers out, as well as create one of your own. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you the products that I used and then share my journal. Okay, I was on the hunt for these composition books. Walmart carries these and they are the half size. Let me take one out. They are the half size. And they come 10 in a pack for $4.64. So for those of you who alter those kinds of things or just need composition books, that was a great deal. But I had a hard time finding them. And they probably got gone pretty quickly at the start of school, but I kept looking and looking and looking, and by the third Walmart, I did find them, so I was happy about that. Okay, I used this Fisker's Punch. This is an oldie but goodie. My corner rounder. Flowers from Cuddle Me Clay Flower Shop. Her flowers are always so pretty. I used my envelope punch board and just to get the notch. This die set from Paper Tray Ink, which I have never used. And let's see if they have the year on here. 2020. So I was so grateful that I was able to pull this out. But this is the set, and I don't know if they still carry this or not, but this is Framing Fall Sentiments, and it's a two-piece set. I used a tab, and I used this one from Spellbinders. And for paper, I use this Harvest Time by Rubbernecker, which is now called Brass and Bliss. And I need to put a clip on here because it is coming apart. And this Welcome Fall, and I am so proud of me because all I have left are 3 sheets. And this side is all cut aparts, but you can still use this side. And some scraps. And that's all I have left of that pad. So that is exciting. And this was from Michaels, this Fall Plaid. And I used, no, it wasn't that one. In fact, I don't even see the one I used on the front. But anyway, you'll see it in a second. So let me move this out of the way and show you my journal. And here it is. And as I said, I followed her tutorial, which was very simple. She sometimes does it in 4 parts and sometimes 3 parts, and this was a 3-parter. And mixing papers is something I rarely do, but I did in this one. So this is the cover and the back. One of the cut aparts, and I used some gold foil from Recollections, Michael's Recollections, here and here. And these are Tay's flowers and her clay berries that she makes. And this is the inside. I have really not put anything in the pockets. I just took some of the cut aparts to show you that that is a pocket that can be used. And this is where the punch board, memory punch board, was used to get that notch. And this is my first section, and this is one of the Paper Tray Ink words, thankful. And here, cut aparts. And y'all remember these bows that we bought from Allie many years ago. I used one of those to make a paper clip. And here's the tab, the paper Spellbinders tab. So you just kind of divide the paper into thirds No counting necessary, just eyeball it. So in this first section, I'll be writing things that I'm thankful for. And then this is section 2. Here's the other word, grateful. And this is a pocket also. So I'll be putting here in this section things that I'm grateful for. And section 3. Oh, you know, this was Hobby Lobby pumpkins. I didn't pull that out. Sorry about that. And here I use the last word, blessed. And what I'm going to do here is just put a photo of myself. And in this section, talk about the many blessings that I receive. All right, and I use one of Tay's flowers to make a paper clip here. So this is the back, inside back, and you saw the back side. So again, I will put a link to her tutorial in the description box. She makes beautiful mini albums, journals, all kinds of stuff, and she has an Etsy shop also in case you want to check that out and make purchases from her with that. But thank you all for stopping by and watching. Happy crafting!